Hi Supergrads, it's Darren here in the apartment, and I've decided that I don't care if people can hear me vlogging anymore because I'm committed. That's how committed I am. This is cycle 3, and I guess this cycle's theme is area we frequent, or we live, or we go to every day. I don't know. I've only seen Jasmine's video so far, and that's pretty much what hers was. So I've decided to give you the tour of the apartment. Yeah. So here is the deck. There's a chair. I think that's Mike's chair actually, with his blanket and stuff. And there's Parker's bedroom, and Mike's bedroom, and Mitchell's bedroom. Except that was a reverse order of the top two. And the road. Yeah. Here's the living room. There's all their secure board games, and there's some video games. Oh, I love me some video games. And there's the cereal, that jumbo stuff, that was mine. It's my food in the fridge. And there's the rest of the kitchen with dishes. Fun times leaving dishes for people to do. And there's the closet and stuff in the closet. Now it's time to run up the stairs so fast. Ah, that's fun. There's me. Hey, me. Oh my god, that was so bright. Here's the bathroom. Yeah, so, oh, I just gotta fix my hair a little bit before I can show you the rest. It's a good time fixing my hair in the mirror. Scratching my face. Hells yeah! Hi. And there's the shower. And that door should be closed. Let's close that. Yeah, there we go. There's Mitchell's room. He's probably going to be mad at me for showing this. And there's Mike, who's probably going to be mad at me for showing him. And here is Tripping to the Abyss. Let's just see what happens when we go in here. Oh look, we're in the hallway. Here we go. Looking. Oh, that was seamless. You didn't notice that fade. So this is the rest of the building, I guess. The lobby sort of down there-ish. Oh, that was seamless too, and out there was a fountain, which I tried to show you, I guess, but it was too bright. And there's the lobby, and I guess I'll go out because somebody's gonna come in. Look, I'm on my way to work now! Look at all the trees! Look at all the freaking trees that I passed. Look, it's fall, you guys. It is fall. It is autumn. Look at that. It's beautiful, right? Beautiful. So I thought I'd show you some wicked graffiti in the bathroom at work, and like Megan showed wicked graffiti, and there's Mew's, and like the E has a little tail like Mew, the Pokemon, like Mew, right? I think that's where it got its inspiration, I don't know. Yeah, one-take voiceover, good times. And there's some stuff that people wrote up there. The thing here is that there's a passcode getting to the washroom because it's mainly for like staff and stuff. And somebody wrote, "Ain't no passcode gonna stop me from peeing." I thought that was funny. And there is after dark when all the shops and stuff are closed. And there's the coffee place where all the cute girls work. And Heart and Thistle, which I've never been to. I'll probably go to one day. And look outside. It's a sweet sign. I forget what it says. Oh, look, face. Did you see that? Did you see that? Yeah. Sorry this is late. I'm really sorry this is late. Thanks to Megan and Jake for, being able to take over for me yesterday or 2 days ago, depending on when I get this up, which probably... Oh, I'm so sorry. This is such a fail. I'm outside in my mom's van, because it is almost tomorrow and I need to record this quickly, and that's why it's so dim and eerie in here. But you like it.